Okay, let's move that out of the way. So I just asked to Chatgpt 3.5. So I want an idea for developing an auto agent in OOP Python. To start with, a simple idea would be basic code to ask AgentBard for idea and agent Chatgpt for idea and collect there in a separate window. We might want to store these as well. Then agent combine could receive both suggestions and use Chatgpt to summarize. If good enough, we could then ask each agent how to code the basic idea. So this is what it printed out, and I put that out on my Twitter here. So back inside, so I then went on and I said Python OOP code me a class called AgentBard. It needs to access Google Bard and ask for a request to present to Google Bard. It needs to collect the info and put it in a text window. So here is an example of how you can implement agent Google Bard in Python using OOP principles. So we have this little bit of code, and it goes on and says, here's a brief explanation of what the code is doing. We import request library to make an HTTP request to the Google Bard API. We define AgentBard class through the init method and set it as the basic URL attributed to Google Bard API endpoint. We define a getIdea method that makes us get the idea endpoint of the Google Bard API. If the request is successful, status code 200. We extract the idea from the response to JSON and return it. Otherwise, we return none. To use this class and display the idea in a text window, we could do something like this. So it creates a text window from tkinter, which offers a different class, a variety of classes in fact. This code we define, in this code we define a ideal window ideal window. Alright, it's called ideal window. It's a class that creates a tkinter text widget to display the ideas of a app class that creates a button to request an idea from AgentBard. When the button is clicked, the getIdea method of AgentBard is called to get an idea, and the display idea method of idea window is called to display it in the text widget. Note that this is just one possible implementation and that there are many others. So we might go ahead and try to do that in the next round robin.